In this week's product update, we're going to go over the Dividend Investor Profiler and our new stock screener. So let's get straight into it. So the Profiler has a theme of dynasty. So we've created three different characters, claymation characters, to try to give it a bit more life and individuality. So you got your defensive investor, your growth investor, and your high yield investor. They're all slightly different ages because for different age groups, it tends to be the case that they may fit these profiles. So once you go through and answer some of these questions, there's 6 in total. It will build out a profile for you. Now you're starting your journey here. So let's just go through and complete this. Once you complete the journey, it'll give you a profile that you can then apply to our stock screener. So this is the right profile for those questions. These are the stock types that would be best suited to this investor. And next steps is to actually go into our stock screener. It's attached it to our stock screener and it's going to apply some filters for that. In our stock screener, you have these settings that you can apply. So it's pre-applied some according to what's appropriate. And let's say you want to see what the stock performance is, how the stock has performed over time, so see its profile in general. You can have a look at some of those details here, get the basics. You can chuck it into the calculator and have a look at how it will perform over time, or just save it to your portfolio. You go in here, save it to your portfolio with however many shares, or click on calculate returns. It'll clear your calculator and load it there. So let's try that. So it's cleared whatever stocks I had in the calculator previously, and it's loaded that particular stock so that we can see how it will perform over time. You can go in and adjust your tax rate, your currency, and the dividend growth and price growth of that stock according to what you think is most suitable. It will put in the historical values for those, but you can change them, or you can deal with the default settings and just go ahead. So that's it there. So that's all our new features for this week. Please let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Give us some feedback, and we'll definitely take that on board and make adjustments. And you can find both these features here if you have an account. If you're looking to get an account and you don't have one yet, but you want to test it out, we do have a 14-day trial, and I potentially could give away some trial accounts for those users that are willing to give me some decent feedback on a regular basis. So yeah, leave a comment, let me know if you're interested, and I can set you up with an account. That's all for today. Catch you next time.